Hi there! I'm Polly, the advanced cleaning tool with special UV light. And look, Dave, my owner, is back with some company. Oh, good lord. Someone is gonna have fun tonight. Yes, this is something that happens when you have fun. You see, people bring millions of smallest particles and nanobodies with them into house. But I am
Chief Technical Officer at Poly. We are a team of bright engineers and science enthusiasts who made Poly into a reality. Poly is a cleaning tool which will help you to overcome all the challenges that 2020 brought to us. Poly's extremely beautiful design is inspired by our galaxy, while it is getting its energy from our sun. There is one last thing left to say. Please support us, support Poly to make a world a better place, to make a world a cleaner place.